Hi, this is Xoli, Ntshingila, Katsio, best known as Sister X. I'm well known for my skills. When I touch your hair, it turns to gold.
Thank you so much for having us. So, do you know why we have come to visit you today?
I don't know, but I'm hoping that it's for my skills, it's for my beautifulness, it's for my everything that I have done for the industry and in the industry.
Absolutely. So as an expert, we have actually put together a few videos and we'd love for you to provide expert commentary and reviews of the bleaching and coloring routines of people on the internet with their natural hair. How's that?
Wow. It's actually that time of the year where people are going crazy with coloring their hair. Wow. You see beautiful hair coloring, DIYs. You see fried hair. You see bride hair. So I'm actually very happy that you guys are here so that I can help some people out there to keep their hair till January next year. So yeah, I'm happy, super happy.
And as a natural hair community, we would also love to hear from an expert how we can do this correctly and also keep our beautiful curls and coils.
There's one thing with natural hair. People think that natural hair is demanding. It's just hideous to take care of. But all you need to do is to make sure that you shampoo your hair, you condition your hair, you color your hair professionally. If not professionally, you do it at home, but you still try to be professional about it. And home maintenance is crucial. You can't color your hair today and think that you're just gonna wash it or not even wash it and think that it's still gonna be there next year. So you need to make sure that really you have that good shampoo, you've got that good conditioner, you've got that oil moisturizer, you've got that amazing soften free black castor oil shampoo, conditioner, spray, moisturizer to make sure that your hair is taken care of.
Let's get into it.
Okay people, so we're going to be watching Slay by Nai video on hair, coloring her own hair. Slay by Nai, I don't know how I pronounce that because I'm not so sure, but yeah, we're watching her coloring her hair. So firstly, she bleaches it and she bleaches it unevenly, because if you're going to do this at home, you need to make sure that your routine is sharp, because the way she actually is applying her bleach and her color is a bit not okay. Because if you're going to do this at home, you need to make sure that you actually start with your ends before you get to the root area, and make sure that you don't apply your product on the hairline first, because it's gonna get lighter than the rest of the hair. And I think that's what she did wrong. Unless I don't think she wanted it like that. But anyway, her technique is a bit rough. Her application is a bit rough. Hence the results are not so cool. They're not even. Because if she had applied her product from the ends, from the crown to the nape area, from the crown to the front, which is the hairline, then she would get some evenness. But now the way she applied it, she was stuck at least from the crown to the back. The next video is by Certain Baby. She looks like she knows what she's doing. I love the way she's parted her hair. She's parted her hair into 5 sections, which is very important. And I like the way she started her application. She started on the crown area, which is the most resistant. So she knows exactly what she's doing. The one thing that I don't really approve of is the fact that she applied it nicely and then immediately, and she's doing a retouch. Remember, she's doing a retouch. She applied the product beautifully and then immediately she spread it over to the ends. She shouldn't have done that. She should have applied on the root area, left it for a couple of minutes, and then when the root area was close to the ends, then spread it over evenly to the ends so that she could get that uniformity. Now, okay, her hair was like brownish auburn, and now she's got a ruby red. So she actually bleached the ends, the roots, to match the ends, and now she applied color all over to make sure that her hair color is uniform from root to the ends. Very nice. Okay, the next video is by Destiny Kiera, and she's doing a retouch. Her ends are sort of browny, like a 7, and now she's retouching to some pink color. Okay, the one thing that's wrong about hair application, number 1, is she's not wearing gloves. So now she's bleached the roots, and now she's gonna apply her color, and I'm assuming that it's a semi-permanent color because it wouldn't be advisable for you to bleach and use a permanent color on your hair on the same day. But at the same time, depending on the volume of the peroxide, you can do it, because I mean, if you're going to use a 10% volume or 20% volume with your permanent color, you can still do that. So I'm hoping that she's using a lesser volume of peroxide for her pink color. Okay, the next one is Cassandra Daniels, who has beautiful, strong, long hair. And for some reason, she just decides that she wants to bleach it. And I think I like the way she plans on doing it, because when you do your hair at home, most people just apply it with their hands and just apply from root to area. But with her, she's actually, it's like she's a professional. She's got foil, she's got a brush, she's got the whole thing going on. And now she's sectioning her hair into like 3 sections and then apply the bleach, because if she were to apply the bleach all over her head, by the time she finishes the application, her hair at the back would be fried. So the way she's doing it is very clever, because she's doing like 3 sections, and then she rinses that off, and then she goes to the next side, and then she does the same thing and until she's done with her whole application on the head, which is very, very clever, because the same amount of time she's giving to the back of the hair to the front is cool, because if she were to apply from the back to the front, by the time she gets here, it would be a mess. So now, I wish everyone would understand that if you have long hair, you can't do the same application as from the root to the ends. So, big up to her, and look at how uniform her bleaching is. It's like the same shade because of her application. And now her hair is all blonde, and now she's going to apply the color. And because the semi-permanent color, I'm assuming she applies it just all over, because with a semi-permanent color, it's not going to damage your hair, so it doesn't really matter how you apply it. So from root to the end, or end to the root, it's semi-permanent.